Guys, I'm trying to find a place to sit this phone that we can just talk. What a what a what a bummer of a day, man. What a crap handle that was. Wish I could be celebrating with you rather than uh, talking to you like this. I'm trying to find a place to sit it. There we go. How about that? Can you hear me okay? I'm in my truck. I don't know. Just want to make sure you can hear me all right. Can you, if I put my phone right here, can you hear me all right? Give me some feedback there. Hey, Dave. What's up? I mean, is it good sound? Is it okay? All right, excellent. I'm on a job site right now. It sucks, man. I'd love to be at my computer right now. I'm not. But I just wanted to talk to you guys about stop losses and about cutting your trades, guys. Just want to, I got this call wrong. I didn't, I don't have the Elliott wave count right. It is following a count that I considered as a possibility, but unlikely, and daggone it. It surprised the crap out of me. Right. But, I guess I said in this morning's video that, if we surpass, that, 1618 candle, guys, you're going to have to cut the trade. Sometimes it depends on your risk tolerance. Sometimes we get a wick above it, so we wait a little bit. But man, once it hit $7,800, 7780, 7790, $7,800, and it just stayed there and didn't back down, guys. That was the telltale to cut that trade. Okay, you got to cut that sucker. You got to deal with whatever loss because it's impulsive. Okay. And it is going to continue going, and the loss that you'll incur if you stay in it it'll kill you. So you can't let hope keep you in a trade too long. Okay. Hey, nice job on your gains. If you traded it well, that's awesome. I just want to let you know what I'm doing on this channel, so you guys can not understand how to take the information and trade it. And I say it a lot, but you have to be ready for me to be wrong. Okay. Anybody you listen to, there's nobody that's going to get this market right a lot of the time. I mean, all the time. And I say it all the time. I say, guys, I could be wrong on this. This is what I think, but I could be wrong. And I'm not here to say, anything. I'm here to say, yeah, I got this one wrong. And I want you guys to make sure that, as you listen to me and as you listen to my technical analysis, that you hold it at arm's length to some degree and say, Jim, that looks right and I like that, and you might even trade according to it, and that's fine, but you've got to be ready with a plan for me to be wrong. Guys, every time I enter a trade, I'm thinking, I might be wrong here, and if I'm wrong, what's my plan? If you don't do that, guys, if you hold too tightly to your ideas, this market will do something you don't expect. It'll hurt you. I'm not apologizing. I mean, I feel bad. I want to get it right for y'all. I want to get it right for me. And, you feel bad. The market took, over half of my, took my profit back as well. I stayed in the trade too long. And so, I had profit and lost it. Now that's frustrating. This is a frustrating market, right? But I guess I just want to, I want you guys to be smart and understand that you need to be ready with a plan for me to be wrong. And in my videos, I'll tell you when I'm wrong. Okay, I'm going to try to tell you when I'm wrong with my count or when it is invalidated. So there's 3 rules I want to talk to you guys about, and I've been trying to hammer this home, and I want to talk about them. 3 rules for a trade. Okay. When you, should we expect a dump? Yeah. China news pump. Yeah. I don't know. I can't see all the comments, guys, cause it's on my phone and it's kind of coming in and out. And so, I'm going to look at them here in just a minute. Let me see if I can find it. Nope. There we go. All in on blockchain. Well, that news was just ready to come out to make sure that, yeah, that's awesome. Well, anyway, I guess what I'm saying here, got 3 rules. Let me talk about the 3 rules. Number 1, Whenever you enter a trade, you need to have a rationale for that trade, a logic and a rationale from your perspective or from an Elliott Wave perspective. And so you need to have a rationale for the trade. Secondly, you need to know where that rationale breaks down. So today my rationale broke down at, let's just say 7,800. I said 77.80 to be conservative, 7,800. The rationale broke down. We're not dealing with a 4-wave anymore because that was past the 1618 and it was impulsive. So understand that. So the rationale broke down. So then the question is, the third rule is before you enter the trade, what's the rationale? Where does the rationale break down? And calculate your loss. What's the potential loss here when you stop that out? And you have to be okay with that loss. You have to be all right with losing that amount. So what's the rationale? What invalidates the rationale? And are you okay with losing that and just cutting the trade there? And there's something in our psychology that has a really hard time with taking loss. So before you enter the trade, you got to say, yeah, I'm okay with that. You got to make your psychology believe it's okay to lose that, because the risk you're giving is worth the reward that you're going to get. So anyway, I just wanted to remind you guys, I'm on a job site. This is me right here. That you got to be ready for my TA to be wrong. You got to have the rationale. You got to know where that invalidates, and you got to be willing to cut the trade. You got to stop your loss. Keep your capital. There'll be another trade. And that's hard to learn. Okay, yeah, clean up indeed. So anyway, let me check the comments here to see if I can find you. Good job, Angel Tech, on your way to go. Hey, Vincent, how's it going, buddy? John, oh, yep. Okay, awesome. All right, guys, I just wanted to kind of give you that information. Looked at the chart. Haven't looked at the chart since I've been on. Expecting some kind of a pull, so you got to be ready for it. All right. Yeah, Tom, that's exactly what I went through last night. That was a big deal. So, all right, y'all, I've got to run. I just wanted to touch base with you. I hope this video helps. Guys, just keep it up. Thanks, Chris. Thanks for the forgiveness, James. Appreciate it. Again, I'm just, I never give any kind of, what's the word? Any kind of, I want you guys to realize that, I can be wrong and often am. So anyway, all right, we'll talk to you guys later. I got to run. Thanks for the encouraging comments. You guys have a good day. Leave any questions in the comments. I'll try to get to them as I can. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.